Now we're going to talk about writing linear equations, given a point and a slope. So sometimes all you will be given is an ordered pair and the slope. Well, what we've been noticing earlier is that we've also been given the y-intercept, so we don't know the y-intercept. So what you do is you have to use point-slope formula. And unfortunately, this is a formula that you do have to have memorized. It's y minus y1 equals m parenthesis x minus x1. So y minus y1 equals m parenthesis x minus x1.
Will we see this a lot on our SOA?
I've seen a few questions, yeah. I mean, it's not a major thing, but I've seen a few questions on your SOA about it. So, it's actually pretty easy. If you write down the formula and you have it, and on the test I may even give it to you just to help remember, just to help you out a little bit. But you're going to do y minus, what's your y1?
4. That's x1.
1. So yeah, just in case anybody forgets, that's x1, that'd be y1. So y minus 1 equals m, what's m?
2.
2, parenthesis, x minus x1. What's x1?
4.
4. So does everyone see how we set up that equation?
Sort of.
What's confusing you?
Never mind.
Okay. So who's got a guess at what we got to do first?
2x
Yeah, we got to distribute.
minus 8.
So that's going to give us 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Then what do we have to do?
Add 8.
No. We're trying to get into y equals mx plus b form.
So plus 1.
Plus
So we're trying to get the y by itself.
Plus 1.
Plus 1. And then you're done. See? So it's not that bad.
You don't have to solve that?
No, the whole point of all these is writing linear equations. So you're 99% of this unit is just getting y by itself. So on this one, we're going to do y minus what?
4. 1.
4 equals, somebody help me out,
2. 1. A half.
1 half, parenthesis, x minus 2. Everybody see how we got that?
Yeah.
So now we distribute 1 half times x, that would just be 1 half x. 1 half times negative 2. Well, what's half of negative 2?
1. Negative 1.
And what do I do now?
Plus 4.
Plus 4. So that'd be 1 half x, negative 1 plus 4 is
3.
3. And you're done. Easy squeezy, right? I don't really know what that means, but. Number 3. How are we going to set that one up? And this is the last one I'm going to do with you.
Y minus 0.
Y minus 0.
Will we have to put a 0?
You don't have to. Now, I'm going to show you the way I would do it. So x minus negative 6. Well, what do we know about negative? Whenever you subtract a negative 6, what does that mean? That's going to be a plus. So that just, minus a negative is the same thing as adding a positive. So now we distribute. Well, what is y minus 0? Y minus 0 is just what?
0.
What's y minus 0? Y equals 2/3 x, and then 2/3 times 6. That's when let's see, that would be 4. But just in case you didn't know, you pull out your handy dandy Desmos. 2/3 times 6, you get 4.
Wait, why isn't it minus 6?
Because it was minus a negative. So whenever you're minusing a negative, it's the same thing as adding a positive. Now what's nice about that, if y is 0, you're done. So that's already in y equals 4. So we just stop there. So I want y'all to try 4, 5, and 6 on your own.
What if x is 0? Friend like you right there, it'd be 2/3 times 0. That'd be 0.
Yeah, so it would just be 2/3 x. You wouldn't have plus anything. Yeah.
So like this? That'd be right.
Yep. Or it's minus a negative 8. So guys, on this one, we have y minus negative 1
So do you do the
equals
circle?
negative 3/4 x minus negative 8. Well, what do we know is whenever we have minus a negative, what can we change that to? Just a positive. So both of those would change to plus. I think it's easier to just go ahead and do that right then and there. I don't know if y'all think that or not. All right, so try the other ones on your own.